Let's explore another way to assign values to the array. This approach is better than the previous one, and I encourage you to use this approach whenever possible. I have already explained to you array indexer syntax, where you could assign a single value one at a time. With array initializer syntax, you can assign all the values at once. Remember this, array initializer syntax is useful when you are creating an array of known size and want to quickly specify the initial values. Let's look at the example. You use pair of curly braces. And inside the curly braces, write the values that you want this array to contain. Let's set those values. 1 is going to be at index of 0. Then you separate each value with the comma. 2 is going to be at index of 1. 3 at index 2. And finally 4 at index 3. With this syntax, you can fill the array elements with the values all at once, as you can see here. One thing to note here, the type and the length you use for the array must match with the number of values assigned to it. I mean to say, this length is actually the number of elements in the array, which must be of integer type. You can omit the size and type of an array with this syntax. With var keyword, the type of the array can be inferred from the types of the item, as long as they are all of the same type. In this example, now the length of an array will be equal to the number of elements in the initialization list, 4 in this case. In fact, you don't even need to put this new keyword at the square brackets here. This is the most commonly used shorter form. One thing to remember here, to work with this syntax, you need to explicitly define the data type on the declaration side, on the left side of the assignment operator.